different rehabilitation devices for different purposes in rehabilitation domain. In addition to functional movement, accurate mode of movement is also very important in upper extremity rehabilitation training. The first part of the video demonstrates the normal mode of calf stocking training, which requires users to use adequate gripping force and have movement coordination among joints. The second part of the video demonstrates abnormal mode of movement, including excessive gripping force, striking, and other compensatory movement when moving the calf. This compensatory movement may damage patients' shoulders, elbows, or wrists. The rest part of the video shows that when the hemiparetic upper limb cannot generate enough force to support itself or to hold an object, the non-hemiparetic hand will support the hemiparetic limb so that the latter can have enough stability to move the calf. Function 1. This is the training on objects holding and moving. Users have to move the calf from A to B, then back to A. When the task is completed, training-related data and timing are recorded through voice feedback and LCN display. A and B can be moved to any particular direction according to user's preference. Function 2. The LED cup uses different colors to indicate different degrees of gripping force, as demonstrated in this picture. This allows patients to learn how to control their strength. This video demonstrates function 1. To begin with, the user moves the object from A to B, then back to A. During the movement, the user's grip force has to remain within the normal range. When the task is completed, the system gives a sound feedback indicating task completion. The movement-related parameters are demonstrated and recorded by the LCN for the user to evaluate his or her improvement. If the user's grip force exceeds or falls behind the normal range, the system will not consider the task as a complete one, even when the object is successfully moved from A to B and back to A. The video demonstrates function 2, which focuses on hand strength and its control. The cup changes its color according to the amount of pressure it receives, which allows users to know how much strength they are using and can learn to control their strength accordingly. Users can also know their improvement through the parameters demonstrated on the LCN. This is a comparison between traditional rehabilitation and upper limb rehabilitation device. First, we examine whether the device can be applied independently and at home. Then we see whether the device can record and analyze related parameters. As we can see, our system records rehabilitation-related parameters for further analysis, which can provide doctors enough information to evaluate patients' recovery condition. Next, we focus on whether the device provides sound and visual feedback, and our system provides sound and visual feedback to the patient so that they can know whether they use their strength adequately or not. Lastly, we consider whether the device offers any force control training. Our device allows patients to learn to control their grip force, making rehabilitation training more than just moving objects. Therefore, it is evident that the device is more efficient than traditional rehabilitation training.